Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we continue our guide to Dal Bhat, focusing on its variations, accompaniments, and how it is enjoyed across different regions. Optional extras, saag and meat. Beyond the core components, Dal Bhat also welcomes a range of optional additions that enhance its versatility. Saag, or sautéed greens, is a popular extra. It adds a layer of freshness, vitamins, and a slightly bitter contrast to the meal. Often prepared simply with garlic and a touch of mustard oil, saag provides a bright, earthy dimension. For those who prefer a non-vegetarian option, meat curries are frequently included, especially during festivals or special gatherings. Common choices include tender chicken curry, kukura ko masu, or rich goat curry, kasi ko masu. These meat dishes are usually slow-cooked with a complex blend of spices. They add a hearty, savory element that transforms the meal into a celebratory feast. These additions highlight how adaptable Dal Bhat can be. It caters to various preferences and occasions while still maintaining its traditional essence. Dal Bhat, a cultural phenomenon and daily ritual. Dal Bhat is more than just a meal. It is a cornerstone of Nepali identity and daily life. This dish weaves itself into the very fabric of society, symbolizing connection, sustenance, and tradition. It is a ritual that marks the rhythm of the day for countless individuals across Nepal. Fueling the day, eating Dal Bhat twice daily. For many Nepalis, Dal Bhat serves as the main meal not once, but twice a day. They typically enjoy it in the morning and again in the evening. This tradition highlights its reputation as a highly nutritious and energy-sustaining meal. It is perfectly suited for a physically active lifestyle, especially in the challenging terrains of the Himalayas. Imagine the strength needed to trek through mountains or work in fields all day. Dal Bhat provides the essential fuel. Its balanced mix of carbohydrates from rice, protein from lentils, and vitamins from vegetables keeps people energized and strong. It is not just about filling your stomach. It is about preparing your body for the demands of the day, ensuring sustained energy levels for hours. The art of eating, hands-on tradition. The most traditional way to enjoy Dal Bhat is with your right hand. This practice is deeply rooted in Nepali culture. It adds a sensory and intimate dimension to the dining experience. First, you gather a small portion of rice on your plate. Then, you gently pour a spoonful or two of dal over it. Next, you add a bit of tarkari and possibly some achar. The art lies in mixing these components together using your fingertips. You create a perfect, flavorful bite before bringing it to your mouth. This method allows you to truly feel the textures and blend the flavors directly. It connects you more deeply to your food. This hands-on approach is often shared among family and friends, fostering a sense of community around the meal. Regional variations and innovations. While the core components of Dal Bhat remain universal across Nepal, you will find fascinating regional differences. These variations reflect local produce, unique spices, and distinct ethnic culinary traditions. In the Terai Plains, for example, dishes might be spicier with more use of mustard oil. In mountainous regions, you might encounter different types of millets or grains mixed with the rice. The spices used for tempering dal or flavoring tarkari can also vary significantly from one district to another. Even with its deep traditions, Dal Bhat is evolving with modern influences. Restaurants and home cooks are experimenting with new ingredients and presentation styles. You might see quinoa instead of rice, or exotic local vegetables incorporated into the tarkari. Yet, even with these innovations, the essence of Dal Bhat remains a wholesome, balanced, and culturally significant meal. It adapts while staying true to its roots, a testament to its enduring appeal. Dal Bhat is more than just rice and lentils. It is a fundamental part of Nepal's heart and soul. This meal truly represents Nepali identity, warm hospitality, and a timeless tradition. It nourishes the body and connects people through shared experiences, whether eaten casually with family or formally with guests. If you have the chance, try preparing Dal Bhat at home or seek it out in a Nepali restaurant. You will discover the delicious simplicity and deep satisfaction of this iconic dish. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.